Hey guys, it's Zoe, and welcome back to another episode of Kids Cooking with Zoe. This week we're celebrating Father's, and I'm making two of my dad's favorite food, and one of them is Grammy's famous Sloppy Joes. And here's the ingredients you need. Go ahead and dice your veggies because that might take a while. And then turn your heat to medium high and then add the meat in the pan so it can brown. Now that your meat is brown, you can start adding the veggies. Just forgot to tell you, make sure after you put your veggies in, you can turn the heat down lower so your meat doesn't get too tough. Tough man. Now we're gonna drain the meat. So you're gonna get your colander out, put it in your sink, run the water so you don't clog the sink. You might need a little help when you're draining, like from your mom or dad or whoever. Now you can add all your other ingredients and stir and simmer for 20 minutes. While it's simmering, make sure you cover it. While we're waiting for the Sloppy Joes to be done, I just got reminded of a new dance, the Sloppy. It's done. Now all you have to do is serve it up on a bun. Cha-ching. And by the way, I know my dad is gonna love this. He's gonna basically eat it with his hands, scarf it down. So we don't really need to do a taste test. And I just wanna thank you for all the people who have subscribed to my channel and who are new to subscribing and have been here since the beginning. And if this is your first time watching, please hit that subscribe button. We aren't gonna play any games. I'm serious this time. Hit it, please. Like smack it. I don't care if you smack it or not, smack it. And by the way, if you're interested in learning the basics and wanting to come to my kids cooking camp, all the information is below. Right there. Make sure you sign up so you can cook live with me and get your kids cooking camp certificate. All right, thank you for watching. Peace out.